Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best website where you work as a transcriptionist and earn money online. For more information, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is rev.con? Rev is an online transcription and video captioning services where you can work as a transcriptionist. For more information, watch the video till the end. If you want to join, link in the description box. How accomplishes Rev work? Rev gives a free online editorial manager that makes it simple to tune into the record and type simultaneously. As a consultant, you're your own chief and control your own timetable. Rev never doles out tasks to you, you single out what you need to take a shot at. Is Rev genuine work? Rev is even forthright that in case you're a normal individual, interpreting will take you in any event multiple times longer than the length of the sound you have to deal with. Rev.com is a genuine organization and it's anything but a trick. In any case, a great many people who accept that it is a trick had horrible encounters with the organization. Does Rev really pay? The normal Rev transcriptionist finishes 15 positions and procures around $156 every month, and this figure incorporates those simply beginning. In case you're searching for an independent open door that permits you to acquire additional pay, doing record online might be a solid match. What amount of cash do you make with Rev? The amount does Rev pay? As indicated by Rev, specialists can possibly acquire somewhere in the range of $30 and $750 month to month. As far as I can tell, procuring a normal of $400 per month is totally conceivable by working around 15 hours every week. How would you get paid on Rev? We pay through PayPal. If you want to create a PayPal account, link in the description box. No invoicing required, we send installments to you, without any charges. Sharing a PayPal account with a mate or accomplice is permitted. Payments are sent each Monday for work finished the earlier week. How quickly do you have to type to be a transcriptionist? Sign number 1, you type 60 plus words every moment. Having an incredible composing speed is the fundamental expertise of a decent transcriptionist. The general agreement is that a composing velocity of 70 words for each moment is ideal to begin. However, I believe that can deter some profoundly gifted individuals from thinking about work as a transcriptionist. Why Rev? 1. Simple, upfront pricing. Straightforward evaluating so you know the expense prior to buying. 2. Secure online ordering. Your substance is secured. Our screened labor force just uses secure apparatuses. 3. Speedy delivery. Non-stop support of serving you best. 4. Guaranteed top quality. Proficient independent transcriptionists, captioners, and interpreters who are confirmed for quality. 5. Powerful technology. Our incredible programming stage makes it simple to convey great outcomes rapidly. 6. Support and customer service. US-based group accessible day in and day out. Contact us whenever. There are numerous kinds of record and subtitle work such as 1. Transcription $1.25 every moment. Expertly translate all English sound to message. Rev record administration is ideal for interviews, content promoting, video creation, and scholarly examination. Whatever sound you have, our experts will translate it for you. Exact for all audio. FireUp makes interpreting your sound simple with its 99% exactness ensure. We can deal with English sound with various speakers, different accents, and foundation commotion. Proficient. Our 50,000 plus local English talking experts translate records day in and day out so you can catch all the subtleties from your sound. Records in hours. Get exact records in 12 hours for most documents, less than 30 minutes. 2. Automated transcription every moment. Rev Cutting Edge Discourse Acknowledgement translates all English sound to message. Computerized record is ideal for tight cutoff times when you need an unfinished copy. Precise for clear audio. The mechanized record works best with top-notch English sound. Pick a mechanized record in the event that you have clear sound with 1 to 2 speakers, insignificant speaker cover, and little foundation commotion. Discourse recognition. Computerized record isn't 100% precise. Your records are interpreted by a machine and are never observed by a human. Records in minutes. Get records quickly for most documents. Survey and alter the record with our online altering instruments. 3. English captions and subtitles $1.25 every moment. Give your crowd a full encounter by adding English subtitles. Rev adds inscriptions to recordings that incorporate the exchange of your video and significant non-verbal components that put things in place. Inscriptions are more than changing sound over to message. Quick and affordable. Rev Subtitles recordings at a superb cost and turnaround. High caliber. Our video experts physically translate the verbal and significant non-verbal parts of your video and adjust the expressions to screen times. Consistent. All our inscription documents are FCC and ADA consistent and meet Section 508 necessities. 4. Foreign subtitles $3-7 every moment. Contact crowds everywhere in the world by adding captions to your recordings in different dialects. We work with prepared language specialists to add exact captions with the right settings so your message will be obviously perceived. Speedy and accurate. Our expert interpreters can rapidly and precisely caption your video records into 8+ dialects. High caliber. We just permit the best interpreters and language specialists to join our group, so you are guaranteed excellent captions. Our interpreters have long periods of expert experience. Agreeable. Our caption experts physically make an interpretation of video sound into your ideal language just as a section and adjust the interpretations to the screen times. 5. Automatic live captions for Zoom $20 per have. Rev Live Captions consequently adds ongoing inscriptions to Zoom gatherings and online classes, helping you and your watchers comprehend and be understood. By basically including the words somebody is stating on screen, you can significantly improve the amount of the discussion others will take in, comprehend, and react to. Get more productive. It's not simply that subtitles keep watchers centered, they do. We've likewise fabricated our application in light of convenience and adaptability so that regardless of the size of your association, nothing will be lost in interpretation. Cause everyone to feel included. Subtitles permit gatherings to be available to all. For the hard of hearing, nearly deaf, or non-local English speakers, they are a flat-out need to comprehend what's happening. I hope you all are enjoying the video. If you want to get more videos, please subscribe to my channel and share the video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Good luck.